As we prepare to do the official first key handover in Capital Gardens Estate, work is in progress. A whole lot has happened after the last time I visited Capital Gardens Estate. Smart investors, if you are yet to buy into this off-plan project here in Idera scheme, make sure you watch this video to the very end. If you are my subscriber and you've been following up on this beautiful project, you need to watch this video to the very end, because today I'm going to be going around the estate to show you what has happened. For you that see me for the very first time, so Capital Gardens is facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway here in Idera scheme before the Eleko Junction. Okay, from here to the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is just a 5-minute drive. What does that tell you? That if you are a resident of Capital Gardens Estate, if you want to get to VI, if you want to get to Lekki, if you want to get to Ajah, if you want to get to Ikoyi, if you want to get to Eko Atlantic, just drive all the way through the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road and you are going to get to your destination within few minutes. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Joan of Johnny Homes Realty, your best bet for anything off-plan real estate, landed properties, and short-term real estate investments. And this is the perfect time for you to tap on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. I'll flip the camera. We have 3-bedroom terrace here. We have a 2-bed that comes with a BQ, and we have a 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex. Smart investors, let me remind you again, there are no affordable houses in Lagos anymore. Capital Gardens is the only estate that you can get with 100 million naira and above. Okay, and we are giving you way more than what you paid for. You can ask questions. This is the best off-plan project here in Idera scheme. I'll flip the camera and we'll tour the estate together. Don't forget, tap on your subscribe button and turn on your bell so that you'll stay notified whenever I drop updates on this channel. Enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you shortly. Okay, viewers, so these are 3-bedroom terraces. Those beautiful buildings you are seeing here are 3-bedroom terraces, and opposite it is still 3-bedroom terraces. So we are constructing more units of the terraces. Behind these ones we have more 3-bed terrace. We are going to get there, and we also have 2-bed terrace that comes with a BQ. Okay, so my first time viewer, this is a 3-bed terrace. But before I will take you behind to show you what is going on there, I want to show you the sample units. After I show you the sample units, I will show you an empty unit, because you are not getting the furnitures in the sample unit. It's just a sample unit for you to have an overview of what your house would look like. Okay, so this is a sample unit. Okay, this is the living room of the sample unit. You have this visitors toilet. You have the visitors toilet. Okay, and that's the visitors toilet. So this is your dining area. This is your kitchen. The kitchen is open plan. This door takes you outside. Okay, if you're my subscriber, you must have seen this. I'm doing this for you that is seeing this video for the very first time. Okay, and for the 3-bed, you have 1 room downstairs and 2 rooms upstairs. Okay, have this window, have the wardrobe. So let's go upstairs. So you have this family lounge. You have a balcony here. And this is the second room. It doesn't come furnished, okay? It has a heater. So my first time viewer that wants this, and this is your master's. I've come in here so many times. This is another balcony. I've come in here so many times, but I'm doing this because of you that is seeing this video for the very first time. That's the reason why I'm making this video, okay? So let's walk around the estate. But before that, I will be showing us an empty unit so that you can see the space properly, okay? Empty unit, a unit that comes empty, no furniture, no dining, nothing, just empty, so that you see the space. So let's look at an empty unit. So you see what the living room is like. See the space. This one is not really empty, but it's better than the other one. So this is the space of your living room, okay? Then let me show you. And this is the space of your dining area. So let me show you the space for the rooms. So this is that family lounge. See the space. See that this is a space. This is the space. So this is a space, okay? Room number 1 upstairs, space for family lounge. Then let's get to the masters. So this is an empty space for the masters. I'll give you another angle. So this is an empty space for the master's bedroom, okay? So now that you've seen what the empty one is like, because this is actually what you'll be getting when you make your payments, okay? Let's look around the estate like I mentioned, so that you will see the latest development here. Trust me, you will be really amazed at what you will see today. And if you are yet to buy into these houses, do well to do that. This estate is the very best in this location, okay? If you need an off plan and you don't have 350 million, you don't have 200 million, Capital Gardens is your best option. Location is idera scheme. It's not hidden, okay? Once you are driving through the Lekki-Epe Expressway, you will see Capital Gardens Estate. It's well positioned. And I believe the reason why most of us invest into houses is because of location, easy accessibility, okay? And the road leading to the estate itself is currently very accessible. In fact, we are working on it. So these are 2 beds. I'll move in. Remember I mentioned that 2 bed comes with a BQ. These are more 3 beds, okay? And we've interlocked. We've done drainage system, okay? So We are moving really fast. And that is the sweet thing about a developer that knows what he is doing. The work will move really fast. So this is a 2-bed. Let's have a look at 1 unit of the 2-bed. We are still working. Same design, but the difference is the BQ. Well done. We are currently painting. Okay. So you will have your kitchen here. Remember, in the 3-bed, we had a room around here, but here is a BQ. So this is the space for kitchen. That is the living room for the 2-bed. That is the living room. And this is your BQ. So this is your BQ. This is what the BQ looks like for the 2-bed. Okay, this is the BQ, and this is the toilet and bath. Okay, so this is upstairs of the 2-bed. This is the master's. Well done, sir. Well done. This is your toilet. We are still working, so this is the family lounge, and this is room number 2. Okay, so you see that the design is the same. The only difference is that in the 2-bed, which is what we are currently looking at, the BQ is behind, but the 3-bed, there is 1 room downstairs. That is the level of construction over here in the 2-bed terraces. Okay. There's nothing like flood in this estate. All our projects, all the projects that has been handled by this developer, you can never hear anything like flooded or the estate is flooding. Go and verify. We did it before in Citadel View 1.0 and 2.0. We are currently doing it in Capital Gardens and in Citadel Oasis Ajah. So this is what this side is like, and these are more constructions of 2-bed. Okay, so let's go down to the 3-bedroom semi-detached section. So we'll see what's going on there. You can see that more construction is going on over here and over here as well. It's some more terraces. So all these are 3-bed terraces. Okay. All this over here are 3-bed terraces. You can see that work is going on. You can see that work is ongoing here. Okay. So we are here at the 3-bedroom semi-detached. So if you don't want to buy the terraces, you can buy the semi-detached duplexes. Okay, smart investors, these are lovely projects, good homes for you and your family. Okay, even you as a bachelor, as a spinster, you can buy into this house. Okay, we've planted trees. It's going to be a very beautiful estate. The layout is beautiful, very beautiful, very airy, very quiet. Okay, so I want to take us down to where we still have more construction ongoing. Hey, first time viewer, for you to see subsequent videos on this channel, you have to just tap on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Okay, and do well to share this video, drop your likes, your comments. If you love what you're seeing, you can drop your comments. Okay, if you want to buy into this project, you can send me a WhatsApp message on the number displayed on your screen. Okay, don't forget that we are also open for physical inspections. Okay, drainage system is top notch. And these are more constructions ongoing. So this is what the inside of the 3-bed is like. Same open plan kitchen. Okay, that's your kitchen. This is your living room space, your dining area, one room downstairs, a family lounge. Okay, family lounge. Second room here. Okay, and this is the last room over here. So this is what the 3-bed looks like. Aside those beautiful homes, we have great features. We are going to be giving you swimming pools here, kids playground, and a fitness center. Smart investors, that is it for today at the Capital Garden Estate. You saw that work is in progress. as always. Okay, our 3-bed, we have more units of 3-bed coming up. We also have more units of the 2-bed that comes with a BQ coming up. The same thing is happening over where we are having the 3-bed semi-detached duplex. Make sure you don't miss out on this beautiful homes. Okay, all it takes you is to call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. Enjoy the rest of your day till I come your way again. John of Johnny Homes Realty. See you next time. Bye.